teach you how to turn your dissertation topic on AI tutoring and high school math achievement into an organized and thorough outline that sets the stage for your research journey. To embark on this academic endeavor, our first step is to establish a well-structured dissertation outline. We'll begin by crafting the scaffold of our research through chapters and specific sections within each. For example, your first chapter could be an introduction, setting the context and scope of your study, while the sections under it might cover areas such as a brief background, the problem you aim to address, objectives, and how your study will contribute to existing knowledge. As you proceed to subsequent chapters, ensure to detail methodologies, literature reviews, and eventually discussions and conclusions. Once we have our outline, it's time to refine our focal points and what we specifically hope to explore within this vast topic. We'll turn to ChatGPT and effectively articulate what your research requires. A good strategy is to be explicit in your requests. For instance, if you're looking to craft a compelling introduction, specify exactly what elements you want included, such as the objectives and problem statements, and make sure to use an academic tone suitable for scholarly work. As we dive deeper, constructing a solid literature review can significantly enhance your dissertation. Starting with a plan for literature search is crucial. You might start with Google Scholar search queries and apply filters to narrow down relevant studies from the past few years. To do this, select 8 queries focused on AI tutoring and high school math outcomes since 2020. Additionally, determine criteria that help in deciding what studies to include or exclude based on relevance and quality. As you search, you'll come across various research abstracts. The next step involves summarizing these insights ethically and concisely. Aim for 2 bullet points per paper and ensure you cite the work appropriately. For instance, if Smith's 2021 paper discusses 15% gains in test scores through AI tutoring, note both this finding and any reported benefits like improved feedback from teachers. Analyzing these abstracts allows us to recognize clear themes and pattern insights into benefits, challenges, and research gaps. For example, highlight key advantages like personalization in learning and challenges such as potential over-reliance on tech. Note areas requiring more research. Translating these themes into a literature review is your next task, comprising different paragraphs that summarize what's known, the pros, cons, and implications for future studies. A step-by-step methodology plan will likely follow. Here, recommend specific research designs, justify sample sizes, and outline data collection processes, including analysis methods suitable for your research questions. Once your data is ready, interpret results taking statistical details into consideration, discussing means and significance using the treatment and control settings as context. Remember, adhering to correct referencing is vital. Follow APA 7 guidelines, ensuring each source is accurately credited. Finally, proofread your work, condensing and refining it. Prepare to articulate your findings and proposals for future work clearly, while being ready to defend your research with anticipated inquiries in presentations or formal defenses. This comprehensive plan ensures a detailed, coherent dissertation that paves your path to academic success.